Hi, in this video I will show you how to send videos on the Gmail on the Android. So the process is pretty simple. So if you want to send videos through your Gmail account and you don't know how you can do it, so simply you have to follow this video. So first of all, you have to open Gmail mobile application and you have to log into your account. Once you will log into your account, now you will see a compose option on the right bottom. Tap on it and you will see a pin icon on the right top. You have to tap on it and click on the attach file, and now click on the videos from top, and now you have to select any video. Once you will click on it, now you have to enter the email address you want to send and click on the subject and write any subject like video, and after that you have to click on the arrow button to send it. So if you want to send a video through your Gmail account, you have to follow this procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.